Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. I hope you enjoy the drawing of Wile E. Coyote and Road Runner, our first video in our little series of famous cartoon duos. Unlike that one, neither of our next duo wants to eat the other, although they are famous for wanting to eat out of people's picnic baskets. I'm talking about none other than Yogi Bear and his sidekick Boo Boo. Yogi was the first breakout character in television animation history, initially appearing as a support character in the 1958 Huckleberry Hound show created by Hanna-Barbera, before getting his own show, along with Boo Boo, in 1961. But we're not drawing that version of Yogi and Boo Boo. No, we're going to draw the new version from the HBO Max hit Jellystone, an edgier, more modern version of our dynamic duo. Anyway, all you're going to need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So let's draw Yogi Bear and Boo Boo. We're going to draw Yogi and Boo Boo step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, we're going to use Yogi's head as our guide. He's 2.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall Yogi's head is, his entire body is 2.5 of those, not counting his hat. And while Boo Boo's head is about as tall as Yogi's head, his body is much smaller, only half the size of his head. That is really a tiny body. Anyway, so let's start with that roadmap for Yogi Bear and Boo Boo from the new HBO Max show, Jellystone. So there's a roadmap for Yogi and Boo Boo. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put some of the character's features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Yogi and Boo Boo's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Yogi Bear and Boo Boo. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final lines of Yogi and Boo Boo. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Yogi and Boo Boo. Alrighty, there they are, the dynamic duo of Yogi Bear and Boo Boo from Jellystone. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn either of these characters before, then you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring them during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Yogi and Boo Boo. With that, you can draw them again and again, and by all means color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Yogi and Boo Boo. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.